Hello everyone. Welcome to Spring Boot REST Tutorial Episode 6. This is my channel Proto Hub. In this video, I will illustrate what is stateful and stateless in REST architecture. Let us move on. To discuss this, we have a guest with us. Hello Priya, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. Can we get started?
Sure, we can get started.
Thank you. Let me first explain the features of stateful in REST. In stateful, the server maintains the state of the sessions. It can be like sessions during authentication, client's previous requests or anything. This session information can be used repeatedly for future requests. Now, I will explain you the problems in stateful. The server stores session data on either database or in-memory storage. If it stores in in-memory storage, then the requests from the same sessions must be sent to the same server all the time. If server is down, all session data is lost and subsequent requests from the same session cannot be retrieved. Thus, it requires storage. Then, if server loses the stored information, the requests cannot be correctly processed. Hence, it is heavily dependent on the server-side state. It also needs backing storage because of the server-side dependency. Overall performance will decrease if the session is not efficiently managed. Statefulness is a complex and difficult process because state of some requests might be stored in particular server. Hence, scaling of stateful in REST is difficult.
Awesome, Chan. You have clearly explained the problems in stateful. Now, I will explain the features and why stateless architecture is useful. We can deploy the same API to multiple servers. Any server can handle any requests because there's no session-related dependency on the server. I mean, no sessions are maintained. Stateless APIs are easy to design, implement, and manage because of statelessness and uniform interface. Data can be migrated between servers, and the databases can be changed without affecting the client's requests or response. Thus, stateless APIs are flexible and portable. Due to statelessness, developers can work on client and server-side independently. Server-side synchronization is not needed. Clients don't need to worry about the caching ability. Caching improves application performance. Hence, it is easy to cache. Stateless APIs are less costly, as there's no need for memory allocation or backing storage.
Thank you Priya, for the great explanation on stateless. Thus, in this video, myself and Priya have explained you on the difference between stateful and stateless in REST architecture. In the next video, I will explain you what is cacheable in REST. See you. Bye.